Here is a new trend in app Talkie, Talkie AI app. It starts to climb quite high in the charts. And this is one of those, AI chatbot apps. I would say it's like competitor to character AI. So is it actually better than character AI? So let's just discover. So I tried character AI app, of course, as well. I did some video reviews around it. So now I can compare how it looks compared to that. Also, there is another app called Chai. So yeah, let's just open it up. So this app is Talkie app is very anime focused, but the idea is
Who
again
are
that you
you?
just
What?
swipe around
Hey, what's
and then you just have all these
Hello, you.
different characters which can message you, and then
Hey, Cece.
you can just chat with them. And then yeah, you can just open it up. You can see the character, how many people following. You can follow. You can see number of chats. The difference from character AI is that this app instantly has characters messaging you proactively, and then it also has a lot of these audio messages, which is a bit different. And also, I would say it's very visual, so it has a lot of these nice backgrounds and characters already generated. While like character AI app is just very, it's like so many chats. But yeah, this app is just a start. There should be more and more features added. But by the way, you can already create a bot. So I just created a bot. You can create a bot yourself. And another cool feature is that you can just upload your photo, and based on your photo, it will create AI version, and then you basically will create AI bot based on that. So that's the idea as well. It's pretty cool. And then you will have all your chats here in the top left. Unfortunately, you can't hide chats here, so you can't delete your chat in history. Then you just have your settings. You can set up that AI proactively sends message. Talkie creator certificate. I have no idea what that is. It's a new service allowing creators to authenticate their work. Verification process should only take a few minutes, and your responses will be kept private. And then you can just join the Discord, add the username. So basically the idea that you can also verify your account, that people then who chat in with your bots probably will know that you're the creator. So that's kind of interesting. And then you just have that, and then that's basically the idea. Then there is a wallet. You can just buy gems probably, if you want to chat more, you can buy more. And then you have also like the price, so like 180 gems is like $2. And then there is also Talkie Plus, which is $9.99 per month. And then you have cards, so that's also some interesting feature. If you go to some bot, you will see that they also have these cards. I don't know what you need to do with it, so you can just buy it. You can get some info, and then I don't know what you can do with these cards. But you just have this exclusive cards, and on each character you have all this information and audio messages. So it's pretty cool. It's getting quite advanced, with AI characters. And then if you don't know what to reply, there is like a suggestion bulb, where you can just get some suggestions. So that's what it is in a nutshell. That's the app. I don't know if it's better or than character AI, but it's a start. If you start of character AI, give a try to this app.